Okay, Billy, do you have any thoughts before the match today? Team selection, what do you think?
To be honest with you, I haven't even seen the team selection yet, though, but I've heard there's some changes that have been made. I've heard they brought on a youngster. What's his name again?
Duane. I think it's Duane, I can't pronounce it.
I've never heard of him before, though, but I want to see how he goes in this game today. Well, as you know, we haven't won for 3 months. It's disappointing, though, but yeah, we look like we're down anyway.
We haven't won since we last played Wolverhampton away.
That is shocking, that. And since then, we've only got 1 point. How bad can things go? But yeah, I think it's going to be a bit tight today, let's be honest with you. It's been different than 3 months ago, though, but I'll settle for a draw, 1-1.
Serious bomb, you know me? Young serious bomb, you know me? Young serious bomb, you know me? Come on! College Town, come on! We'll support you forevermore. How we get there, I don't care. All I know is time to run away. Run away! Run away! To the championship, run away! How do we get there, I don't know. How do we get there, I don't care. All I know is time to run away. Run away! Run away! To the championship, run away! Come on! Get in! Oh. Come on! Rest of the way, man. Right, Chris, what's your thoughts on the...
Well, what do I think? We've bloody won a game of football. Absolutely fantastic. I know we're still going down. That's fact. Nothing can change that. But we've won a game of football against Wolves again. 2 of the 3 wins this season, they've come against Wolves. Can't we play them every week? They're such a bogey, their bogey team so much. They just don't like playing Huddersfield Town. I was simply thinking that we're gonna lose this game because of how crap we've been this year. But to win this game, so great. The words just don't come close to describing it. Fingers crossed we can build on this win and have something else to cheer about on Saturday at Brighton.